We're setting up the chart right now. RSI period is set to 10, which gives us a faster and more sensitive read on momentum. SuperTrend is configured with an ATR period of 12 and a multiplier of 4. We're using Heiken Ashi candles on a 5-second and 15-second time frame to smooth out the noise and get cleaner signals. Okay, take a look at the RSI. It has reached the upper extreme. We're deep in overbought territory. The momentum is starting to roll over and curl downward. Now look at the SuperTrend line. It's still green, but it's sitting right at its threshold. With RSI losing steam up here, there's a strong probability that SuperTrend is about to flip red. On top of that, the Heiken Ashi candles are starting to print red bars. That's our chart pattern confirmation. The market is showing us a reversal. We're looking for a sell. And that trade is closed. AUD CAD came through. Payout of $38.40 with a profit of $18.40. Let's reset and move to the next scan. We're now on CHF JPY OTC. Let's run through the checklist. RSI 10 is our first filter. Where is it sitting right now? SuperTrend ATR 12 multiplier 4. What color is the line, and is it showing any signs of switching? And finally, what are the Heiken Ashi candles telling us? We need all three to agree before we place any trade. If even one is unclear, we wait. Alright, this is the moment we've been waiting for. All three confirmations are aligned on CHF JPY. The RSI 10 has reached the upper extreme and is already curling downward. The SuperTrend line is sitting right at its threshold, showing a strong probability of flipping red. And the Heiken Ashi candles are printing red bars, confirming the reversal. When all three line up like this, that's the best spot to enter. We're going in placing a sell right now. Amount 20, expiry 15 seconds. Trade is live. We're in a 50-50 situation here on CHF JPY. The trade is active and the market is hovering right around our entry point. The candles are mixed and there's no clear momentum yet in either direction. This is part of trading. Not every setup resolves cleanly. And that one closed at a loss. Payout 0, profit 0. That stings, but it's part of the game. We're switching over to Euro OTC, and this one is looking very promising. Take a look at the SuperTrend. It's been riding red for a while and the line is sitting firmly above price, confirming the downtrend. Now check the RSI 10. It pushed up into the upper level and has already started rolling back down, which tells us the bullish momentum is fading fast. And on top of that, the Heiken Ashi candles are forming a clear red bar, confirming that sellers are stepping back in. All three indicators are aligned for a sell. This is a textbook setup. We're placing the sell now. Amount 20, expiry 15 seconds. Trade is placed. Let's see this through. And there it is, winning trade on Euro CHF. That's exactly what happens when you wait for all three confirmations to align. RSI at the extreme, SuperTrend confirmed, Heiken Ashi backing the move. Clean setup, clean execution, clean result. That's the process right there. Let's reset, take a breath, and get ready for the next scan. Watch for the rest of the video and follow us for more free strategies with Pocket Option and other trading brokers. Our RSI is at the maximum support level, a high chance for the trend to go up. But as we can see on our SuperTrend, it draws a red line going down. As we have confirmation on our candle bars that it might go up, let's try to trade going up on this for 15 seconds. But unfortunately, it got lost. That's why it is best to follow the guide. If all three confirmations are met, this SuperTrend must be at its level. Better to have patience in all trades.